Oh god.
I'm hungry.
Oh.
This is really pointless.
Wait.
Fuck, it's down there.
There's something strange going on in my head.
Oh.
It says if I were to get in a car right now, Carolina's where I would end. And to your doorstep, I would be back.
You like this song?
Uh-huh.
Thanks to who?
You. Want a cookie? With some credit? You want a cookie?
Fuck. That means we have to tag fucking Andrew in this.
Oh no. He's gonna be like, this is the weirdest video I've ever got posted on my page. He's gonna see this and think we're gonna like, oh no. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.
That would be so funny if I spit it out. I was looking at you the whole time. I was like,
I should have taken Motrin with that water.
I got a little bit more.
Can I have it?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I was leaning on you.
Bye. Your Red Bull can. My can.
Red Bull's actually like really good these days.
Yeah.
Need more water?
No.
There's still some in that.
Better not be in my purse. Cause it was upside down.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, seriously, stop this video. It's so freaking pointless.
Hey, Nicole's online.
Let's reach out with her.
Oops.
I'm not posting this.